Hey guys, how you doing? We're here at Yuba Gap. It's Thursday. Birds are looking good. I think they're coming out of it. We should have a good race. It's 200 miles coming up. Hopefully we're shipping for a Saturday race. But they're healthy. Droppings are good. Yeah, we should be ready. I'm going to go ahead and turn the birds out. I'm going to do it in groups. We're going to let Larry's go first. Let them clear out. Then we'll let Joyce's go. Then we're going to let mine go. Staying pretty low. We did have an issue tossing at Blue Canyon. I came out here Tuesday morning and there was fog here, low clouds or fog. And I decided to wait. I turned around and went back 4 miles or so to Blue Canyon and let them out of Blue Canyon. It was higher clouds and better weather, but the birds came back scattered, and we actually had Red. Unfortunately, got hit. He had a puncture on his chest. So Red's sitting this one out. Adrian P's Red. We're down Yuba Gap. I think it's Yuba Gap Road. I don't know, a little ways to try to keep them away from that canyon where we had the issue with the falcon. So we're turning out Joyce's. Looks like the others have cleared out.